Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to another video on Wull on the channel. You know the drill, so I'm going to ask you to subscribe before watching the video, because we are going to talk about where the description of the video say, is it? So I'm going to make sure I show you all the end of the race in a 1, 2, 3, like what Alkaline say, guys. So this was a 100-meter final, is it? Tokyo 2020, them I say, is it? And I just want to acknowledge say our culture, our country gone with the winnings, you see me? So I see it a broadcast on the net and thing, and Shelly, and you don't know a good while she run, and the second look good, you don't know Elaine take the first, next person take the last, the third, you see me? So we just give thanks headway. Yeah, viewers, up next, Skillibeng baby mother Tavian, you see me, supposed to give birth to Skillibeng child. You see me, speculations that go around, me kinda know what go on still. As in, I know say she pregnant, guys, you see me, but I know say the birth, she give birth. But otherwise from that, this would have been Skillibeng's second youth, but him get jacket in her first half. Last girl him would have still. You see me, guys, YouTube video not easy for make. Someone will come make it, because from all day when I go and like say them something easy for make it. Anyways, at every end of my video them we have live with different type of drama. So if you enjoy the video, you must enjoy the life. No joke.
I think maybe not all the time, because that profession is like up and down, you know? The income, you know, varies. It's not steady. So maybe one time he'll make a good money, but then, you know, I don't know what he does with it.
So you wouldn't date somebody that's a promoter?
No. That is the first man on live. That's the first man on live that I see that I would not date. Okay. That is the first man. But at the end of the day, all I want to say is, like, I hope he just takes my foolish advice, you know? Uh-oh.
You let the father right now, Mr. Can't go and suck your mother.
Oh, walkie-talkie. No.
I
already tried to do that to her already.
Boss. Big thinking about the put your face in the dark, even in your own house.
Walkie-talkie.
Even in your own house. What you do for your living?
I work at a halfway house and I work in retail, so I have 2 part-times.
Yeah, big one what job you do? Where are you in your young days?
I'm at a halfway. I work at a halfway house. Do you know
where are you in your young days? So you're a big man, nearly 50 years at the 2 job in America. This is an old-time cuff.
No. What are you talking?
Yes, you're still in a slave, same big man.
Walk and talk. Tell the woman.
Still in a slave, same way.
Walk and talk. Tell the woman.
You're born in a slave and dead in a slave.
Hold on.
Walk and talk. Tell the woman.
Yeah, dead in a slave. See, I'm big idiot.
No, walk and talk. I'm not the only person that does 9 to 5.
You're born in a slave. Being a slave. So we can't dead in night. You're born in a slave and you're dead in night.
Me cut him off, guys. Yo, Jano. We can't have that quiet one another.
Because, he's not really he's speaking out of anger. He's not speaking like logic, you know?
Tell him what you want to tell him now.
Walkie-talkie, don't dog my 9 to 5 because I'm working 2 jobs. You know, they're both 2 part-time jobs. And that makes 1 full-time. And I don't call it slave. If I don't work, how am I going to get money? I'm not a promoter like you. I don't know how to promote music or promote people to keep events. Like, I can't live off of that. That should be your side gig. So you still need to get a trade.
Let walk and talk. Talk. She started it.
I didn't start nothing. Yeah, I was just giving him a little advice, so it's okay.
Yo, when I take the woman for joke and the woman seriously.
Mom, come here. I have to suck you. Mom, come here. Let me suck you. I gotta suck your breast. dress.
Fuck that woman, so I want to woman a joke.
Now my mind is saying what? What did you just say? Walk and talk. Are you gonna apologize now?
Okay.
Yeah. Entourage. We're not going to joke with that woman, you know.
Okay, good night. Bye, Entourage.
All right,
No, but it wasn't a joke.
hold on. Diana, I'm going to call you back, okay? I'm going to call you back.
Yeah, we're not going to joke with that woman. Because I know woman I try to style me. I'm not work with it.
All right,
Entourage, I see my mother life. I'm going to love Entourage. So this, we share come on tea, come on life and talk, brother. Brother, listen to me, dog. Entourage, I live low life, and Entourage, I try new, you know. I'm in this big pussy life, you know that. Entourage, me a general place I come from. Remember, me no waste time. Check my bank account, me no crack out. Me can buy be my long time on Japan and buy a big car in Japan. Me can buy a car foreign in Japan and me can live a foreign if I want. That big pussy woman that come and tell me pussy wall.
Yo, woman, stop this
plumbing service. Listen to me. Me can go Canadian embassy right now, go Jamaica. And fly got cancer blood clot from a certified plumber. So if you want to know my blood clot is, me the youth, me a promoter, make sure I set my email blast much people over the ears and bail me things as a youth. The woman that come talk like she know me, dog. That hurt me, dog. That big pussy woman that come go like she know me, dog. That's so
What is that?
That's so cool woman that come go like she know me. A big woman got chuck in a woman supposed to be auntie. Me not a joke with them Entourage, because them company, me I put them in place.
Entourage, what?
The woman there is to work, the woman is still a slave the same way. At the age of 50, what you do so? If you do a 2 job, now she doesn't collect pension and blood clot America. She said, it's an old-time slavery. Only them, are you them to beat?
What can talk?
Me not a joke with them, dog. Pussy all yet. I show her my name there. She said, every time I go on live, she type be a fuckery. Lady, I'm going to find her, I'm going to block you. So you know why? You go on like you know something about me, so I'm going to make you know, say, you don't know nothing about me. So Chubby will entertain and laugh. Lord Chubby, I'm not Chubby a friend. But Biggie that woman.
What can talk?
Who this now?
This is caller number 3.
Next.
Why your next woman asking me what you said?